Prickle ding. Do you wanna lean? Pull up on the scene. Me my sing. It's the whole game.
Guys, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me hair and makeup. So I show you guys my makeup and I also show you guys me straightening my hair. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and add me on Snapchat. My Snapchat will be in the end of this video, the outro. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye. What's up guys? Today's video is going to be a get ready with me hair and makeup. I did my eyebrows off camera because nobody got time to be wasting time doing my eyebrows. So I already have an eyebrow routine up. I will link it down below. I'm probably going to make an updated one, so look out for that. But for my eyebrows, I used this. I used the what is this? Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in the shade Espresso. And for concealer, I used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C11. It's really light. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now I'm gonna put on some lashes. Jesus. These are the lashes I'm gonna use. They're from Crayon Case. I think they're $20 a pack. They have this one, and a yellow one. I have that one too, but it's all the way in the other bathroom, so I'm not gonna go get that. But I'm gonna glue them on with this Revlon Precision Dark Lash Adhesive. I don't recommend it. It's pretty awful, but it's what I have on hand, so I'm gonna use it. This is how the lashes look before they're on my eyes. This is how the lashes look before I put them on. They're very long and like wispy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Sorry I look a mess. Just excuse that. We're gonna go from 0 to 100. Okay. So I'm gonna let these dry and then I'm coming right back to y'all and finish my makeup and hair. Okay guys, I'm back. I put on my eyelashes. I think I already told you guys where they're from. If I didn't tell you guys where my lashes are from, they're gonna be linked down below. So now I'm gonna take, just to set my eyelids, I'm gonna take the Maybelline New York Shine Free Loose Powder in the shade Medium 02. It's not gonna focus probably. Just like, looks like this. And I'm gonna set my eyelids because I just realized I didn't, so you should set them before you do your eyelashes. Okay, so now that I set them, I'm gonna set that over to the side. I'm gonna take a brush. This is a very ratchet brush. Just don't even mind it. I'm just gonna blush. This actual like brush tip is very amazing. It's very soft. It gets rid of product. I'm gonna set my eyebrows with the e.l.f. brow gel. But yes, so I wanted this to be a chit chat, so I don't know what to talk about really. I'm gonna prime my face with the Magic Collection Primer Oil. It's like a rose oil. Got this from the beauty supply. You can get it from the beauty supply. I think it was like, I can't remember. Might have been like $4 or something. But yeah, I want this to be a chit chat. So yeah, my name is Shayna. I love doing makeup. It's what I want to pursue in life. I started my channel because I want to show y'all how to do makeup. I don't want y'all to be out here looking crazy and all of that. So it's been a passion of mine for some years now. The sponge is from the same brand, Crayon Case. It's been a passion for some years now, but I hadn't just taken the leap and gotten started with my YouTube channel. So now that I am, I'm just very happy about it. If y'all do want to contact me, or you know, tell me about any videos you guys want me to film, you guys can contact me on my Snapchat. It's always in the end of my videos in the outro, so make sure you watch the outro and get my information. Okay, so after I put primer on, I'm gonna go in with the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. It's a little sample size. It's from Fresh Cosmetics, or Fresh Skincare, I don't know what it's called. Fresh, just from Fresh. They sell this at Sephora. I'm just trying this to see how I like it. See if I want some more. My under eyes, my whole face is dry, but my under eyes tend to get like super dry. Okay, so after I prime my face, I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation ever in this planet, the Maybelline, I think it's like full coverage or something. Yeah, Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage foundation. Okay, so I have two different shades. They both match me, just at like different times of the year. So this shade is 355. I will use this, but I just ran out. There's nothing in there. So yeah, I use it to conceal the top of my eyebrows. The foundation I'm going to be using today is the Maybelline Super Stay 360 Mocha. And I'm just going to put this on a beauty blender. It's it's wet, damp. It's damp already. So I'm just going to put it on there. I'm also, let's dry over here. I'm going to be doing a everyday high school makeup routine. You guys will see the big difference in that one than this one, because let me tell you something, I do not go full beat for school. I can't do it. Like, I can't do it. I cannot even fathom putting on full beat for school. I used to, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's just the point where you gotta get confident in your own skin and be like, girl, like, this is not it. Like, it's not, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't gotta do this. Sounds like somebody's like delivering a package. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, I meant to say. Okay, so now we're gonna conceal. I just got a new concealer. The LA Girl Pro Conceal. I have a whole bunch of these. I have different shades. Like, I have Warm Honey, I have Toffee, and I just bought Fawn. So I don't know how light this is gonna be, but we're gonna see. When I want to get real cute, like when I'm going to the mall, when I'm going out, this is what I wear, and I stand by that, sis. Okay, so we're gonna bake the same Maybelline powder. We're getting oily because, baby, I got dry skin, but baby, I be getting oily. If y'all see my nose piercing come out, just don't even. So real quick, I'm gonna contour with the Contourization, what's this? Contourization notebook from Crayon Case. I broke the highlighter in here. I don't even know if you can tell that one right there. And boy, when I tell you I was mad. I'm probably gonna highlight with the Honor Roll highlighter. But yeah, for contour, I'm gonna use the shade Bobby right here. It's like the darkest shade. So you guys, I'm gonna use this palette. Give me a second. Y'all see that? No creasing, boo. No creasing. We love a creaseless makeup. Okay, so now the only thing I have to do is do my lips and my highlight. Obviously, I have a little bit of a gloss going on right now because my lips was dry, and that's not gonna happen. Normally, when I do full beat or even school makeup, I'll use this brown eye pencil from the Beauty Supply in the shade, I think it's just brown. Yeah, brown. This is the shade on it. Looks kind of, it's more like a like chocolate, like milk, true milk chocolate shade. I would line my lips with that, and then I would put on this lip gloss. Isn't it so pretty? It's the it's a Dose of Colors Over the Top lip gloss. These two together are bomb. But today I'm just gonna be using the Rihanna, Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. This is what I have on right now, but I'm just gonna add some more for y'all. Okay, and for cutting my contour, I'm gonna use It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Chai on the flat side of this blender. So I'm gonna let that bake for a minute, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on some highlight. I'm gonna go back to the same palette I just showed y'all, and I'm gonna highlight with, I'm gonna highlight with Moonlight today. This is what I cut my contour with, and this is what I'm gonna highlight with. I know it looks white, but it's like a goldy kind of color when you put it on. Y'all see that? I'm gonna dial it down a bit. You know what I'm saying? So now we're officially done with the makeup. Now we're gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. It's been heating up the whole time that I've been doing my makeup, even my eyebrows and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten my whole head. So that's the end of my video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to add me on Snapchat and subscribe to my channel. Also leave a question that you guys want me to answer in my future Q&A. And yeah, see y'all later.